Hello everyone, what's up? DJ Math Rocks coming at you with some math knowledge. So, over the course of the last two classes, we've talked about a couple different skills. Remember in class, the main focus here is going to be on your understanding of things. Say hi, Mr. Hinsky. So, let's go ahead and talk about the 4, 5, 6 things that we've been talking about. So first one is mean. Mean is your average. So if I want to find the mean of June, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 80 plus 60 plus 100. I'm going to take the sum of the numbers. So that's going to be 240. And then I'm going to divide that sum by how many there is. So think about it, I want to put it into the same number of groups that I took it from. So I'm going to divide that 240 into 3. Okay, so if I was to take everything, put it together, and divide it evenly, each person would get 80. Okay, 80 is my mean there. So you guys could just put down mean for 80. Right. Another one we talked about was median. Median, we need to put things in order first, so I'm going to do that. So 60, 80, 100. So the mean here is 80. Mode is the most common number. There is no most common number for June, and there is no most common number for Mia, so there's no mode in these ones. Okay. Next one was range. Range is your highest to your lowest. From 60 to 100, there's 40 spaces. You could do 100 minus 60 to get that answer. So 40 will be our range. And the last one is MAD. And for MAD, I told you guys I'm going to let you use a calculator for it. I'll probably have to find one that just has MAD on it. So. But if I pull this one up and I type in my numbers, let's see, it was 80, 60, and 100. Nope, 100, and generate work. You can see mean is 80, exactly what we said it was, but your mean absolute deviation is 13.3. So use the calculator for that one. Right. The last one we've talked about was relative frequency. Relative frequency, I think that's on slide 12. So relative frequency is the percent of the frequency compared to the total. So it's how often it happens compared to how many things happen in total. Okay. So let's take a look at slide 11 so we can figure that one out. All right. Let's find the relative frequency of people that want to sit in the middle to the total votes. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to take my part, which is 50, compared to the total, which is 165. Okay. All right. $50 divided by 165 is 30%. So 30% of the people from the internet survey want to sit in the middle. Let's see how many percent want to sit in the middle from the 7th graders that were interviewed. So 22 over 60. Ooh, that just turned out bad. 22 is my part for this one. Okay, because I'm looking at that number. Over my total, which is right there, 63. And so 22 divided by 63 is 35%. So it looks like slightly more people, slightly more 7th graders like right in the middle than from the internet survey. Okay, and those are the skills we've covered. Remember, you still have to know what it means. So if you need some help on that, just reach out and let me know.